Hello, my name is Larry Harrell. I'm the President and CEO of Ppedm Corporation. Revolutionizing the industry, game-changing technology, terms often used by entrepreneurs, and certainly those terms apply to Perfect Point. What do? We remove fasteners. It's not a glamorous business, but it's part of a $120 billion a year business globally. Perfect Point is an emerging growth engineering technology company that has developed a patented process to remove fasteners 10 times faster and with 20 times less damage than the traditional twist drill. We have an installed base of over 160 machines out in the field, and we have created over $12 million in revenue since we began our business. We're currently focused on the aerospace and defense industry, but our technology is also equally applicable in industrial engineering and industrial machining and industrial gas and oil applications. In the aerospace industry, the problem is removing a fastener which is made of hard metal. Hard metal fasteners typically cause drills to walk or cause damage because they're turning. We, on the other hand, are a closed loop system which comes down, separates the head from the fastener while vacuuming the debris that is caused by the drill, traditional drill, and completes it in less than 10 seconds. So normally a drill has the potential to be able to cause this type of damage. You get figure 8 holes, you get drill skip, and you get drill skids. This particular example shows drill damage which caused $160,000 worth of damage to the structure. Also in drilling, you end up with a lot of debris that is created by the metal. This debris gets into your eyes, gets into your clothes, and into the aircraft itself, causing damage. Well, how does the E-drill do it differently? Well, we have a near forceless process that cuts the head off the fastener at 1,000 times per second. It makes a cut. It is programmed so that it cuts just below the head of the fastener, and then it stops. Here's an example. This is a locator tool that locates on top of the fastener. The tool comes down and starts to cut. The electrode cuts 1,000 times a second. It stops when it gets below the head. Light turns green and you're done. That takes about 10 seconds versus 7 minutes for a traditional method. Here's an example.
Head-to-head, E-drill versus drilling.
At the far end of the wing, there is a gentleman that is trying to remove the fastener with a drill. At the near end is our gentleman who is using the E-drill to remove fasteners. Just so you know, this video is 7 minutes long. I'm going to speed it up and tell you the results. We removed 16 fasteners while using the traditional drill removed 1. We also have another product that we developed alongside of the E-drill, which is the S-blaster. The S-blaster removes paint from the head of a fastener. That is required to provide grounding for the E-drill, to be able to make electrical contact. It is also used to remove paint from the screws that sometimes are needed to be removed during maintenance. We also do custom engineering to support our customers. We do a lot of R&D work for the prime aerospace and defense contractors. Again, our opportunity is market is $120 billion a year. It consists of maintenance on engines, aircrafts, components, and airframes. It's about equally split between the military and the commercial markets. Our specifically addressable market is about $500 million per year just for the fastener removal. and it produces about $2.5 billion worth of cost savings a year. This is an example of us doing a modification on an Airbus 320. What I want to bring your attention to is we removed 3,000 fasteners on each wing. The price that the cost of removing a fastener with the drill was $6.88. Using the E-drill, $2.03. That was a factor of 3 of savings. 6,000 fasteners could be removed for 3 times less the cost, and this represents less time on the ground for an aircraft, which is the most expensive time for an aircraft. Our intellectual property is patent protected. We have 5 approved patents, with 2 of them also extended to Israel and Japan, and 9 other patent pendings. Our customers are the who's who in aerospace. We have the Boeings and the Airbuses in the commercial world, and the Gulfstreams and the Bombardiers, but we also have the U.S. military, the U.S. Air Force, the Navy, and the engine manufacturers, as well as airlines and defense contractors like Lockheed Martin and Northrop Grumman. We have a small team of 12 folks. We do all of the work here at the current time. As the rate increases in our build, we'll start going to contract manufacturing and focus on going out into the market. Revenue generation. We sell units into the market in what we call a hybrid model. Boots on the ground is important, and so it's a consultative type sale. We sell the machines and use distributors to distribute the consumables and the accessories. This is a razor blade type market where once you sell a machine, you have recurring income. This is what our projections are. We are at an inflection point at this point in time. We have enough product into the market now, so we're gaining traction and acceptance into the market. I believe that this will become the industry standard for how fasteners are removed in the market. As our market grows, the products first started out selling lots of machines with the accessories and the consumables supporting it. By 2020, you'll see that a much larger part of our revenue will come from the consumables, which is a recurring revenue stream. Now, the highlights that I want to impress upon you is we have a Fortune 500 customer base. We cut hard metals better, faster, safer than the traditional methods. Our technology is patented and it's game changing. We have a large market opportunity, and it continues to grow as aircraft become made more of composites than the aluminum structure. Composites use more titanium type fasteners than the traditional airplanes. We are in a capital raise at the moment. We're seeking $1.5 million. We're offering a preferred offering of stock at 28 cents a share with a dividend of 5% per year, non-compounding, and we have a preferred preference, which means that your preferred shares will be paid out first, so you have downside protection. You have a conversion to common stock, which gives you the upside growth opportunity as we move toward an exit. So the use of our funds are going to be for sales and marketing. Sales and marketing is our next step to move into the market and become this industry standard. So that's where we believe that we need to put our focus. We need boots on the ground and increase our sales force and our presence in the market. This is an engineering type of change to the market, and we need to be there with our customers to explain how this can save to them. The bottom line is this takes 20% of the cost of maintenance and moves it to the bottom line. That's attractive in any business. I thank you for your time, and I'm ready for any questions that you might have.